everyone, welcome to our channel. We are from Spider Laser Team. This is Christy.
This is Lainey.
Today we have some new content for you. We will show you guys how to assemble the basic frame.
Wow, great. But I also want to know what the Spider X1 can do. Can you tell me?
Sure. Firstly, we can use the Spider X1 to create some exquisite collages to decorate our home.
Can I do something like this?
Yes, definitely. But not only that, we can also use our Spider X1 to make some larger and more intricate ones.
That's amazing. Spider S1 can make such large work.
Yeah, it's not only large but also exquisite.
By the way, my cat's birthday is coming up. Can I DIY a small gift like this for my little cat?
Yeah, of course. We can create so much more than just small toys. Let's take a look together.
Come here. Thank you, Christy. She really loved this new gift.
You're welcome, Nanny. Halloween is also just around the corner, and I believe everyone is preparing Halloween decorations. Today, let's use Spider X1 to create some adorable and lovely Halloween stickers and decorations.
Wow, they are really amazing. I love them so much.
Yes, I believe that even you in front of the screen can create such exquisite works using our Spider X1. Now let's learn together how to assemble the basic frame of Spider X1. Firstly, take out the Y-axis profile, then angle collectors and the toolkit. Take out the 6th height syringe from the toolkit, along with the screws and acrylic blocks, and this shorter X-axis profile. Now let's assemble the frame's angle collectors. We'll thread a screw through the angle collector and secure it with a T-nut on the other end, just like this. Repeat this process for the remaining 7 screws and nuts. Next, install our angle collectors. Using the hex key, slide the T-nuts into the groove along the side of the X-axis and tighten them. Next up is our Y-axis frame. Make sure to place the timing belt with the synchronous side facing upward and collect it to the angle collectors. The end face of the Y-axis should be flush with the side face of the X-axis. The final step is the installation of the acrylic blocks. Take out the screw and secure it to one end of the Y-axis frame. Pay attention to the correct installation direction. With this step, our Spider X1 basic frame is now installed. But before we start engraving, there is one more small adjustment to make. Firstly, place the Spider X1 inside the frame. Take out the smallest height syringe from our toolkit. Loosen the side screws on one side of the machine. Repeat this step for the other side. After loosening the side screws, pull the X1 down to the bottom position of the frame. Adjust the positioning of the X1 on the synchronous wheels. Finally, tighten the side screws on both sides of the machine. Once the adjustment is complete, we can power on the X1 and wait for the device to complete its reset process. After positioning the X1 in the bottom left corner, move the device to the other end and click on Soft to perform a reset test, ensuring smooth movement of the X1 within the frame.
This video is over here. If you are interested in the project fields used in the video, remember that you can download them through SpiderMake.
In the next video, we will focus on the usage of Spider X1 with GRBL and Lightburn, teaching you how to engrave and create easily. Thank you for your watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you next time!